We have a combination of pendulum and harmonic oscillator. Okay. And again, this is L. I don't know. Let's just take this to be A. And both of this L and M. And this is K. Question is, what is now the equation of motion of this? Okay, again, ang first is of course, generalized coordinates. So, find the ano. Well, we can set our origin dire. Okay, we have a pendulum here of mass L. L doesn't change. It's a constant, no? And, so mag-ana-ana na siya dira. Okay? Now, the spring, okay, the spring might be in the, okay, let the spring to have an unstretched length of R. Unstretched length, R is the unstretched length. This is the unstretched length of the spring. Okay, much better siguro atong i-drawing sa in the stretch form, no? Atong i-drawing sa in the stretch form. I'll draw it again in the stretch form. So, meaning that, okay, gamay dire, medyo paana dito. Okay? Okay, so this is in the stretch form. And let this to be our A. This is L, L, K, and M. Okay, unsay una natin ikuan dire? Well, of course, we have two vectors here. This vector, R1, okay, I will not use R. Kuha na lang, sa minindot nga variable. Q as the unstretched length. Okay? R1 and this will be R2, right? So, I would express this in terms of the angle. Let this to be my theta 1 and this will now be my theta 2. I will now have two generalized coordinates here, theta 1 and theta 2. Okay? What is my R1 vector? R1 vector would be equal to, okay, that is L sine of theta 1 I hat minus L cosine of theta 2 j hat. Okay? And of course, R1 dot would be equal to, this is theta dot 1 L cosine of theta 1 I. So plus theta dot 2, ay sorry, nganong not, this is just 1, no? Theta 1 L sine of theta 1. Theta 1 j. How about my R2? Okay, I can express my R2 as the sum of this. Let this, right? Or yeah, ano na lang. This is just, unsa man siya, this is A plus X2, right? Okay. Okay, I'll just let this to my X2, no? So sa ato pa, this is just A plus L cosine theta, right? Sa ato pa, kung X2 would be L plus cosine theta, L plus sine theta 2, right? A plus L sine theta 2. So that this is now A plus L sine of theta 2 I hat. Plus, actually, there's a shortcut with this one. Pero ako na lang iisa-isa no? For the general purpose. But later on, you will realize that, okay, what will, mawala ni mga cosine og sine dire. How about the y? This is now minus L sine of theta 2 j hat. So, what is my R2 dot? That would be, okay, A dot is 0. So, sa ato pa, this is just become 2. Theta dot 2 L cosine theta 2 I hat. And this is, mahimo ni siyang plus na po, right? Ay, times sa, anong na-sign man eh? This is cosine. Okay. Cosine. So, this is plus theta dot 2 L sine theta 2 J hat. Okay. What is R dot 1 squared? R1 dot squared, this square plus square. Notice nga mawala ang, di ba, may mong theta dot squared, L squared, cosine squared, plus theta dot squared, L squared, sine squared. And when you add those, mawala ang sine of cosine, right? So this is just equal to theta dot 1, L squared. This is squared, right? And the same with R2 dot squared, right? More gyapon. So this becomes now theta dot squared to L squared. Now, what is my potential energy? Kani karon ang problema. Okay, how would I solve it? Akong potential energy sa spring would be 1/2 K times OK. The unstretched length is Q. This is Q here. So, what is this length there? So, this will actually be, grabe nga, ano sa geometry, no? Unsa ni siya nga, ano? What is the distance between 2 points? We will use the distance between 2 points, diba? Kani nga point 1 mo, man siya, ang point 2 kana. So, sa ato pa, this distance here, this, let's call this D. That D is just equal to, okay, I'll solve D first. D squared would just be equal to x2 minus x1, right? So, kani, minus ka to. x2 minus x1, no. Yeah, this one minus that one. What would happen? So, that would be x2, diba? The distance between 2 points, x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So, this is this minus that. So, this is A plus L times, okay, ato lang yan na siya. Sine of theta 1 minus, I don't know, theta 2 tama na. Theta 2 minus sine of theta 1, right? Squared plus, okay, this minus that, this minus that, plus L, L squared sine of theta 1 minus sine of theta 2 minus sine of theta 1 squared. That would be my D squared, right? This is my total length D. Okay? Using the distance formula. Now, of course, my potential now would be 1/2 K. This is sa spring lang ni siya. 1/2 K times D minus X squared. This is D minus X, Q squared, right? So, this is it's a very long, 1/2 K times, okay, square root of this, okay? So, ako na lang yan, So, just D is the square root of this. So, diretso lang ako, no? D minus Q squared. Where D is this whole thing here. Okay? So, what is my total potential? That would be Vs plus. Okay, kanisha, this is just minus mgl cosine theta, right? So, this is minus mgl cosine theta 1, m1, right? I'll set different mass, no? So, m. Right? Minus, kani, the potential energy dire. MGL cosine of theta 2. Or we can simplify this as MGL cosine of theta 1 plus cosine of theta 2. Right? So that what's my kinetic energy? My kinetic energy equals 1/2 m x1 dot x dot squared. Okay, x kani r dot 1 squared plus, okay, since pareho sila m, so this is just 1/2 m r1 dot squared plus r2 dot squared. This is r1 dot squared. Asa na to? R1 dot squared and R dot squared. So yun ra. This is just equal to 1/2 m theta dot squared. Okay. Theta 1 dot squared plus theta 2 dot squared times L squared. Sakto? When you add this two. Yeah. L squared, theta 1, theta 1. Okay. Yeah. Theta 1, theta 2. So theta 2 dot squared. And this is one. Now, add to your problem set number 3. Approximate this distance here. Okay, find the equation of the system for small oscillations, small theta 1 and theta 2 oscillations. Ibig sabihin, what would happen now to the distance d if we have, meaning that ang atong system is halos gaana siya, no? Short, gaana lang siya, no? Gamay ang theta 1 ug theta 2 but not equal. But small oscillations theta 1 and theta 2, approximate now the equation. Kay kung gamay man gud ni, we can show that for small oscillations, I'll upload this in the so tanaw ni dito at the end of the video. Usa nga problem set. Show that for small oscillations, this is just the same as kani. Instead of using the distance formula in analytic geometry, we can just set this as, show that this is just equal to x2 minus x1. Ang d, for small, okay, show that for small oscillations, approximately small oscillations, meaning small theta 1 and theta 2, okay, we can show that this is easy. D is just equal to, approximately equal to x2 minus x1, right? Or just actually x2. Or x2 minus x1. D is approximately x2 minus x1. And find the equation of motion there. Kani kamo na human ani no, solve the Lagrange equation of motion here and find the equations of motion for small oscillations, meaning that it oscillates no, and the spring also oscillates na small nga kuan. Mura ganig ako lang siyang gidistro, di ba? The equilibrium ako lang gilabtan gamay. Okay? And of course, what would happen also if for small oscillations, solve the small oscillations if A equals Q. Meaning that pag nagbitay siya nga ana, pag straight lang siya, okay, meaning if just, okay, straight lang, no? Ana lang. Meaning that the equilibrium, wala siya na stretch. Unya, ako siyang ilabtan gamay. Okay, akong i-move gamay ana, and then let it swing. Okay, what would happen to the equations of motion? A equals Q, meaning, kaya kung dili man gud A equals Q, meaning that the equilibrium, na siya stretch. Okay? Solve that for, ikapila na ni? No. Katulo, kaupat. Katulo. Okay, for the next one, assuming what is the equilibrium position of the spring? A not equal to K. Ato siyang yan, nakaana siya, di ba? And depende na siya. What would now be the equilibrium? Unsay equilibrium niya nga setup? What is theta 1? What is theta 2? Okay? Given, all the given. Okay, find this angle, theta 1, and that would be posibleng nga kani theta 2, no? Although, dito na i-define ang theta 2. Okay? Depende na siya kung sa'y kuha niya. So, pag ato lang siyang i-ana, what is the equilibrium given MK and M dire, what is now the equilibrium position? Okay? What is the static equilibrium? Okay, given Q, A, okay, separated by A, L, L, and theta 1, theta 2. What is now the equilibrium position? Okay?